Hey guys, so this is how you're going to change your Payoneer account to a business account. First is you're going to log into your Payoneer account on a browser or your phone. Next, you're going to go to settings from the profile icon at the top of your screen. And then from here, you're going to look for the option to update your profile. So just click on settings right here and look for the option to update your profile. If you're registered as an individual, you can't directly switch to business inside the same account. Instead, you will need to contact Payoneer support. So what you're going to do is just go back to the profile or account information, and then we're going to click on support center and then just wait for this page to load, and then we're going to submit a request through their support center, provide your business registration documents, and ask for your account to be converted or create a new account under your business details. Now, once Payoneer approves it, your account will be updated to a business type. And that's it. That is how you change Payoneer account to a business account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.